Hey Fancies, let's get into this eyeliner. Starting off, we're going to line our upper waterline with the black eyeliner pencil. This prevents any skin from showing through and creates a more seamless look. Today we're using an eyeliner pen. There's so many you could choose from cream to liquid to pencil. However, if you're just starting off, go for a pen. It's gonna be way easier. Of course, make sure it has a pointy felt tip. Following the outer corner of your lash line, we're going to make a very sharp line going upwards, quick and short. Make sure you're using a light hand though. You don't want to hold the eyeliner like an actual pen now. The further towards the tip you grip, the more pressure you're going to apply. Always hold the eyeliner from the middle. You'll find that your grip will change as you go based on the area of the eye you're working on. Now flipping your wrist so that your pinky is facing you, we're going to anchor a pinky on our face for support. Starting from the middle of the tip you first created, you're going to drag your pen down, making a triangle. Next, positioning your pen a little higher this time, drag down again. Keep doing this till the tip is to your liking. Any gaps in the triangle, just fill it in. Holding the pen straight, you want to run the pen along your lash line. Again, using quick and short strokes while moving towards the inner corner. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like these. And tell me in the comments, what techniques have you used that you found most helpful? Now, as a reminder, use your pinky as an anchor to get more control of your pen. As you get to the inner corner, tilt your head up so you can see a bit underneath your lash line. And guess what? You done! Creating the perfect wing definitely takes practice, but remember, changing the position of your hand and your wrist will definitely be helpful. Remember, light strokes, using your pinky as an anchor, and using a handheld mirror will definitely make the process easier. For additional content, head over to IG and TikTok for more. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!